Hello, my name is Tammy Huang. I am a lead accountant for Construction Cost Accounting. We service a construction company in all Orange County, LA County, California. Today I'm going to show you how to do a lump sum billing for a job using a group item. So oftentimes when we create an invoice from estimate, we want to have every detailed line item so we can keep track of the job progress. Yet, when we invoice the client, we want to show the client just a simple lump sum billing without all the line item. So using group item, we're going to be able to hide those items, keep it simple for our client, yet we can still have a good detailed report using, line by line item. So let's go to QuickBooks. First of all, I need to go to create my group items. Go to List, Item List, create a new, select a group item here, Service Group. Now I can give a group name for my item. Let's say if I want to create a patio. Notice over here, you don't want to click on Print Item in Group. You want to hide those items in the group. So then now inside this group patio, you're going to pick your items in here. Let's say I want to get some labor site work. I want to get some material site work. I want to get some framing in here. Framing labor. Framing material. You can go down a line here. If I bring it down, you can add another item called profits. It's kind of a total profits for this. Okay. Now, all this are my item inside this group item. So let's go with that. Oh, it says it's already in use another name. Let's say if I have patio 1. Okay. I created one earlier for patio. So now we're going to have a group item called patio 1. Now let's go into our customer center. Let's pick a customer. Let's say with this one, there's an add-on patio. We're going to first create an estimate for this job first, add-on patio. So new transaction, create an estimate. We're going to create an estimate from that group items. So you pick that patio 1 group item. Notice everything that we built earlier in that group item and now appear in here. Cannot edit anything on the first line, but go along here. You can now start adding on all your costs and markup. Okay, so let's say if I have this as 1,000, I'm going to mark it at 30%. 1,500, mark it up at 30%, and this one is 1,100, 30%. It's just a sample, 30%. Okay. Well, what you can do is you can always edit this line, add more line. Let's say if I don't need the profit because I already have everything marked up, and let's say for some reason you don't think that now that you need this material for site work, so you can always delete this line. Okay, and here's my estimate. So what happened is when you delete a line from this original item group item, your original group item in the item list would not change because you added the line item in here. So let's save and close. So now let's create an invoice from here. Pick my estimate, new transactions, create an invoice, add on patio. There you go. There is my estimate. create invoice for selected item. Okay, so now you have everything here. If I'm going to bill this client 500 for each, okay. $1,500 first. Now notice we have the total estimate amount. We don't have any prior amount, but the quantity, that's what we have here. Okay, this is what we built him. Now we're going to call this draw number 1. Actually, we're going to call it down here, draw number 1. Right? And let's see how this invoice is going to look like. You see, we have patio, draw number 1, estimated amount here. There's the current amount and there's the total amount. All it shows is draw number 1 without showing every line item. And yet we still have a very good item list so that we can have a good report on our end. Let's save and close this. Now let's take a look into our job report. Progress, estimate versus actual detail. You see right here we have the estimated cost, estimated revenue, and we have the actual revenue over here, buying line item. And yet when we show it to the customer or when we invoice the customer, all that the customer will see is just a simple draw number 1 with the percentage that we bill for it. And that's how you use lump sum to bill the client using group item. Thank you for watching.